Welcome! In this video, we will solve a set of monotonic function problems using derivatives and sign analysis. Problem 1. We are asked, for what values of a is the function f of x equals x cubed minus 3ax squared plus 3 times a squared minus 1 times x plus 1, strictly increasing for all real x. To be strictly increasing, we need the derivative to be positive for all x. Let's take the derivative. This is a quadratic in x, and it must be positive for all x. That happens when the leading coefficient is positive and the discriminant is negative. The leading coefficient is 3, which is positive, so we only need the discriminant to be less than 0. Let's compute that. Problem 2. The function is f of x equals x plus 1 over x squared plus x plus 1. We use the derivative and analyze its sign. Here is the derivative. The denominator is always positive, so the sign depends only on 1 minus x squared. That is positive between minus 1 and negative outside. Let's show that on a number line. Problem 3. The function is g of x equals k x cubed plus 3 times k minus 2x squared plus 3k x plus 1. We compute g prime and require it to keep one sign for all real x. Here is the derivative. Using the discriminant and sign analysis for the quadratic derivative, the monotonic condition becomes k is less than or equal to 0 or k is greater than or equal to 4. Problem 4. F of x equals x plus sine x, and g of x equals x minus sine x for x between 0 and 2 pi. We check the derivatives. F prime is 1 plus cosine x, and g prime is 1 minus cosine x. Both are greater than or equal to 0, so both functions are non-decreasing on the whole interval. Problem 5. H of x equals log of x squared plus 2x plus 2 plus arctan of x plus 1. We compute the derivative and check its sign. Notice the denominator x squared plus 2x plus 2 is always positive since it is equal to x plus 1 squared plus 1. So the sign depends on 2x plus 3. A full proof shows the derivative stays positive for all real x, hence h is strictly increasing. Let's summarize the answers quickly. Problem 1. It is between minus 1 and 1. Problem 2. Increasing on minus 1 to 1, decreasing outside. Problem 3. K less than or equal to 0 or k greater than or equal to 4. Problem 4. Both functions are non-decreasing. Problem 5. H prime is 2x plus 3 over x squared plus 2x plus 2, and h is strictly increasing.